right, good morning, good morning. Is anyone in here? Anyone in here? We're a little early today. I wanted to kind of test out the stream and see if it's lagging or not before the market actually opens. So that's why we're popping this off a little early here. So let's see what we get. So far looking okay. Not showing any laggage yet. Any laggage? Not yet. Price pulling back here is 630s. So anyways, we're just doing a little test here. Let's see how we sound, how we look. Anyone here? Anyone here? We're a little early to the game. So we'll wait on a few people to pop in here. We'll see how the stream is going there. Really haven't done too much analysis this morning. How's it going, Mike? All good? Good. That's what we want to hear. That's what we want to hear. Yeah, I'm not hardwired right now, so I could probably hardwire and get a little better speed, but there's kids running around, and we got, so it would require me to run a line through the, just through the kitchen here, and we don't want to do that. We don't want to do that. Interesting that we're kind of pulling back here. I certainly think we run through the 40. Got those equal highs up there from Friday, 39.50. I think that's also Friday's high. So if you guys hear some noise today, hey, we just got to deal with it. We got kids running around. There's not much we can do. Apex connection lost. I mean, really? Before the day even starts? Apex connection lost before the day even starts? What's the deal there, Predator? Good morning. What's the deal with that? We can't have that. I don't even know if I have an Apex connection open other than... Let's see. I'm just curious. Let's pull up an Apex connection just to... oh, yeah, it didn't even reconnect yet. You can tell because it doesn't give me the option. Did not reconnect. Yep, spinning. So I don't quite know why it disconnected. Could not have product, whatever that is. Let's try it again. American Solars is working. Maybe it's just me. Maybe it's just me. I don't know. Everything else appears to be work. No, I'm on Quantire Rhythmic. Let's see if I can pull this over here. You guys don't have to see that. Looks like it's reconnecting now, potentially. You're on Tradeovate over there, American Solar. Not too many problems on the old Tradeovate, I'd see. All right, it reconnected, so. Still want to open a chart, though. I don't have any charts open for Apex right now. Let's open one. And just so we know. $52, definitely one we don't want to be trading. My approval is still haven't gotten my approval in yet for the Apex payout that I requested on the 1st. So no approval quite yet. Nico, good morning. I did get paid from the request from the 17th today. So we got paid today from that request from the 17th. All right, let's get back on the My Funded Futures here. St. Patrick, good morning. Pine Tree, what's up? Man, this is going to be interesting. Like, I know I know we're going to run through the 640 here, but when is the question, right? I guess let's look and see kind of downside options. Are there any equal lows? I mean, I guess obviously like the Asia low or the London low. So Asia low is still intact. Yeah. Right down here. A lot of kind of wicks down here too. A couple of wicks. I don't know American Solar. I don't know what the delay is. I have no clue. I'm just here like you are. You know what I mean? Sunny day in Switzerland. We're in Clearwater. It's supposed to be nice today. Today we're not going to do much. Just kind of hang out at the house. We might go and rematch Jason in some putt-putt. You know, he took me down last month or whatever when we went down to Orlando. So may have to rematch him in the putt-putt there and take back the victory. Take home the victory, the victory. It will be ours, the victory. We will not allow him to continue to tease us about his victory. We won't do it. We can't let it happen. So, yeah, we're here till Saturday. I'm going to stream today. I don't know if you guys saw. I'll stream today. Very short stream, though. That's why I'm kind of starting early. I'm not going to stream long. I'm just going to get what I need. So what I do is I have my account set up in 2 different copy trader setups here. So we're going to copy trade half the fundeds and copy trade another half. So we're just looking for 2 entries is what we're going to look for and kind of go from there. So once we get what we need, well, then we'll be done for the day. We may hang out with you guys a little bit longer after that, but 5 to 10 points, that's what I'll be looking for, and we'll see. Dre Day, they're not currently accepting any new affiliates from what I understand. It's invite only, so they would have to reach out to you in order for you to become an affiliate. I got mine, I don't know, a few months after I started streaming. So, but yeah, I don't think they're accepting any new affiliates. Not quite sure why, but who really knows, right? Nobody knows. So I wonder if we're going to run through this all-time high before the market opens, or if we're going to like manipulate lower and then go through the all-time high. Inna, how's it going? If we get back to 612, I mean, maybe that would be like a retest of this gap. We've already tested it once. There was an inversion there, not very big, but again, what do you expect when the price action looks like that, right? Just kind of grinding higher. Yeah, we'll see, Rob. I mean, there's pretty much no news today, right? It's not really much news going on, so we have to be aware of that. So, what's the 3-minute looking like? I don't even have 3-minute up over here. Let's put the 3-minute up, and then we can favor that. There we go. Yeah. I mean, it's still tapped into that earlier. It might just pull back into the open here and then try to go higher. which is completely fine. It gives us a clear, like, draw on liquidity or whatever. No news isn't always good news. Yeah, I agree, Trev. I like news. Black Beauty in the house. Yeah, I like it when we have news because then it gives the market a reason to kind of move there. Gives it a reason to go. Yeah, I saw it. I see it there, St. Patrick. I just, you know. You're talking about the lower one down here, I'm assuming. 703. Where's it at? Yeah, I mean, I see that there. We technically already tested it once. That's all I was saying. On that red wick back down. I mean, I think today, especially early on, there's no reason to look for anything other than long, right? This close to all-time highs. I mean, we're 12 points off of it right now. Just even if we run through it at open, I don't know. We'll just kind of see. But for now, long's the look for sure. Long is the look. Okay, I'm getting a warning here. Let me see. Lower than the recommended, so the bit rate is lower. It seems to be doing okay right now. I don't really have anything else open other than the stream, though. Will Smith's going to be Popeye. You afraid he'll smack olive oil? He might. I don't know. I guess I haven't. I know you said that last week. I haven't really seen, like, anything about that. The old back is killing me today, guys. The back's hurting today. It's hurting. I did not post the From Fat to Fit video on Friday, guys. I was lazy. So that'll come out at some time this week, today or tomorrow. But we did follow the diet 100%. The low was 268 last week. Did not weigh myself. Obviously, yesterday I didn't weigh myself, and today. But we followed the diet yesterday as well. I think we were right around 1,000 calories. And then today is the first day of ramping it up to 1,500. So we'll see how that affects things once we get back home. I don't expect it to affect much. And I'm not going to weigh myself the entire time I'm here. So we'll weigh ourselves once we get back home. So I do record them, but I'm using OBS Sweet Owl. They're obviously recorded on the stream as well. I don't really go back and review them. I do notate, like I keep up with it. I journal, physically journal, the old-fashioned way with a hard, a pen and a piece of paper. But as far as like what do I use to back test with, I use FX Replay. Really nice because it drops you in a random moment in time. So I don't know what is going to happen. A lot of people are like, oh, I just use Market Replay. And yes, you can do that. But I like FX Replay because it drops you in a random moment in time. You can execute the orders real time. And you can go back and review your P&L, your win percentage, and all that good stuff. Yeah, it's like $25 or $30 a month. It's very negligible. It's very worth it. I can't remember exactly how much it is. I think it's 25, but I could be wrong. So, but FX Replay is awesome. Because like I said, it keeps up with your win percentage, your R. It keeps up with your max R. It keeps up, with a lot of metrics for you there. And it's easy to use. So, I like it. And I like the fact that it might drop me in, 3 years ago. It might drop me into price. And I have no clue what's going to happen. So, that's what I like about it. Now, some will say that you should only be back testing, today's current conditions. I don't necessarily agree with that. I think that if your strategy is profitable, it should be profitable in any conditions, right? Should be, but not always. If we start to get some lag in the stream, guys, if you start to see some circlies, some spinny circlies, let me know, and I will try to hardwire. I mean, I'm trying to avoid doing that, but if I need to, we will. So that's the reason we jumped on early here. We're trying to just make sure that the stream's working fine before the market opens, because a lot of times I'll jump in at market open, especially when I'm on vacation, and the stream won't be working very well, and we won't find out until the actual open. So, all right, pushing up here. I mean, I would kind of like us just to kind of grind lower going into the open. It may not happen. We might run through those equal highs up there at 39.50 before the market opens. There's no real clear. There's nothing clear here for me to be able to do. I'm very, very kind of tempted to take a trade here, but man, it's pre-market. This small gap here is not very obvious. I mean, it's 2 points. That's something, if it goes, we'll just have to miss out on. I'm not gonna press the button on it. We'll just have to miss out on it if it goes without us. It's the way it is. Can't be in on everything. Does look like it kind of wants to go there. Let me see. All right, there she's pushing. She's a trying. Let me see if I got all this set up correctly here. Is this thing working? All right, all right. It's kind of watching here. Trying to move this stuff away from each other so I can see. It's a little awkward when you're used to having 4 monitors and then you're stuck down to 2. It makes it a little bit awkward spacing. All right, is the stream glitching at all for anybody? Does it seem okay? Still seems all right on my end. I do have like a little warning message about the bit rate, but hopefully that's just fine. Hopefully that's just fine. I don't know. We're getting a little... Just trying to see. I guess it seems okay. It's just a little A little laggy, Fine Trader says. All right. I don't know if it's worth it for me to... I don't know if it's worth it for me to go ahead and hardwire before we open. Pay the trader. We'll probably be on for an hour or two. I don't know, really. Just depends on what the market looks like here at open. We shall see. So we'll be on, I mean, like I said, an hour or two. We're not going to be on like a ton of time, so a few hours. I don't know if I want to get up and go ahead and, maybe I'll go ahead and run the wire. So let's see if this thing even lets me do anything. It's not. How do I turn these alerts off? Anybody know? I don't know how to turn them off. What up, Whitewater Joe? This thing looks like it's just going to go here. A little annoying. Left click in the settings gear on the top right, then notifications. Notifications, then what do you do? Do not disturb. There we go. Beautiful. Yeah, I don't want those to be popping up every time we hit something. What up, Jonathan? Good morning. Bobber Light, good morning. Still didn't run the 39s there. Looking like it wants to, though. Dennis, good morning. Good morning. We're going to run through the 39.50. I don't know. Looks like it, but we don't really know. Leonard, good morning. We're just kind of waiting here. Oh, you know what? I just realized I don't have the ES up. I need to find a spot to put the ES. Let's do that. I'll use this chart. We'll move that over here. We'll put the ES on this one. I like to see the ES. I don't have to have it up, but we do like to have the ES up when we can. ES 6628. Did it run the let me, wow, yeah, the ES already ran. It already ran the all-time high. Nasdaq did not. Kind of interesting there. Doing good, Evelyn. Doing good. Evelyn, the vacation's going good. Oh, shoot. What's going on here? Loot, how's it going? Yeah, ES is at all-time highs. It's interesting to see there. Oh, I left you guys. Sorry, guys. I'm going to make some mistakes today. I'm sure we are not used to this setup. So, Topstep, yeah, we have a link for Topstep there, but it just gives you 20% off if you're a new customer. So, it's down in the description if you want to support the channel there. Link in the description. I think we run through the 39.50 here. Kind of looks like. Seems like that's where we're going. Got about 15 minutes until we open. Good morning, Clarity. So, if the stream gets too crazy, like I said, we will lower. We'll go ahead and hardwire. I don't know if I should. So, what's going on, Andy? What are we using today? What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? What accounts? I'm on my funded accounts, if that's what you're asking. I have the account set up, half funded on one CompuTrader, half on another. If I like a setup, I'm going to take both. What's up, Junior? So, still using Quantower, yes. Quantower. Looking like it's probably going to run through the 40 here before we open. Janelle, how's it going? Yeah, I've seen this thing circle a couple of times. I don't love it. Still seems reasonable, I guess. I don't know what the difference would be if we hardwire. I don't know what the difference in speed is. The speed here is not horrible, but it's not the best. It's not horrible. Kind of grinding towards that 39.50 area, like we're going to probably run through there. Those are the all-time highs there on the Nasdaq. Also equal highs there. Marcin, good morning. If you guys haven't already, hit the like button for me. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. We do appreciate it. What up, Alito? What up, Alito? I think we run through maybe on this candle and the next. The 39s. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, there we go. Spiker right through there. Yeah, I'm on vacation AS. Yeah, I didn't sleep too good, Elito. What up, Life Prime? There we go, spiking through the 39.50. There was just not really any setup for me to take. Like, yeah, I could have taken the close above here, but, you know, is that really worth it pre-market 6 points? I don't know. Probably not. Thank you, thank you. What up, Project? We'll see what happens today. I mean, you know, not really any news. I'm not expecting much, but we'll see. Maybe find a spot to take 5 points here or there. Maybe we wait until initial balance is set and see what we get from there. I don't really know. We are about 10 minutes away from open here. I'm going to probably go ahead and run. I don't know if I want to run that wire. Too many kids running through here is the problem. You know, kids, they're not going to see the wire. They're going to trip over it. What's up, Hanson? It's a little rip right up there to 41.75. Now pulling back. It's kind of chopping around here. I mean, the 600 makes a lot of sense, right, Absent? I mean, to be honest with you, after running the all-time high there, pre-market, I was kind of hoping we'd wait until the market opened to do it, but you still got the Asia low sitting down there at 579. Yeah. So I think that it's a decent chance that we probably run that. Also, where is the new week opening gap? Let me see. Where do we close? I sometimes forget to look at that. I guess we're not really going to have much of a gap, huh? Yeah, not really. 620s if you go by the 4 p.m. candle. So seems like after running those equal highs there in the all-time high, maybe we want to come back and clean up this 579. Also, we do still have that data wick from Friday down there that was never cleaned up. That could be a good target, but, you know, being at the all-time highs makes it difficult. So, $641. Yeah, I mean, seems reasonable, right? kind of the tricky part, though. We're here at all-time highs. We just don't really know what's going to happen. Could we push higher? For sure. Could we sell off? For sure. So, yeah, Leonard, it's a tough spot. Like, do you want to get long here? Do you want to, I mean, do you really want to get long? Tough, right? Do you really want to take a short when we're this bullish? Kind of tough. So, this is interesting. I just now noticed that. 623.25, 623.25. Yeah, so triple equal lows down here at 623s. That's an interesting spot. You can see those there on the 1 minute. So if we get some sort of clean setup back to this area, I might take it. We'll see. So we'll see what happens here at open. I mean, if we, like I said, if we get some sort of setup back to this area, we might take it. It would kind of make sense. We'd like it to maybe leave that there for opening. And we might can jump in on some momentum or something. We'll see. Good morning, Ebirth. Mad Moxie in the house. So we'll see here. We'll see what we get here at open. Maybe there'll be an opportunity, maybe not. I don't really know. No real news today. I guess I'll show you. So the economic calendar here. Whatever. In New York, Fed 1 year inflation expectation, 3 months, 6 months, 6 months. It's not really going to do anything. So really kind of like a no news Monday. I'm just going to go ahead and close that out. You expect down to 2,500. It might be right, Bob or Light. You never know, right? You never know. Could go down, could go up. We don't know. We don't know. Oh. So we'll just see what happens. That's all we can do here at open. Dun, 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 dun. Looks like maybe we pull back here at open. What up, design? Only goes up. The draw drops of mercy shine bright. The dewdrops. All right, let's see here. Got about 4 minutes here until open. So we'll see what we get at open. I think we move quickly back down into those equal lows down there at the 623. It's kind of my lean at open there. That's my lean at open there. So we'll see if that plays out or not. Kind of a pretty easy, easy target, if you will. Could run through this fairly quickly. I don't know if I want to take a momentum trade, though, at open. I guess we might. Danny Nutty's on vacation. I don't know if he's still on vacation or not. Not quite sure. I'm on vacation, too. Oh, I'm on vacation in Clearwater Shark. I don't know where Nutty is. Montana somewhere? We'll see. Witness protection. If your account renewal is on the 10th, you have until the 10th to trade. 9th. It'll renew at night, Danny. It will renew at night. Chat, approve the vacation request. Perfect. Yeah, it'll reset on the 10th. So you need to either be, if you are in drawdown and you want to get a reset, you need to blow it on the 9th, so on and so forth. Oh, Topstep. Yeah, interesting. It would debit on the at midnight, Danny, on the 9th. Gosh. All right, we're about to open up here. I kind of want to just take the short, but we may miss out. We may just miss out here. $15 seconds. We're probably going to run through the 23 so fast. All right, here we go. We might just jump in on momentum here. There we go. Now, I did not hear that. Did that not? Oh, you got to be kidding me. I did not have the copy trader on, guys. I'm annoyed. Ah, that's rough. We did not have the copy trader on, and that was so obvious. Oh, well. That was very, very obvious. New highs on the ES. Can't believe I didn't have the copier on there, guys. Made $105 on that move down on my funded, but we didn't have the copier on. That's annoying. A little bit annoying. That was so clear and easy right there, right? You had actually 4 equal lows there, not 3. Still moving. Oh, guys, I don't have the VWAP on here. Need to do that. Just realized that. I don't have the VWAP or anything. So back to the VWAP there, a little bounce-a-rooney off the VWAP. Strong bounce. Oh, man, look at that bounce. Holy cow. 20 points right off the VWAP there. Ripper right through the highs again. Wow. Huge rip off the VWAP. 30 points. Don't stand in front of the train. ES out of control. Let me see. Is it just going straight up? ES is. Wow. ES straight up. Straight up. I'm having to switch back and forth from the ES to the Nasdaq. It's a little trickier than what I normally do. Oh, come on. Damn you, Apex. Why do you keep disconnecting? I mean, I'm not taking a trade right now, but it's just annoying. Yeah, Pine Tree. It's crazy. Yeah, it's problem is any weakness, I guess, in the ES right now would probably bring us down. Yeah, they're not together right now. Pulling back here. Just retracing that entire move there. We're going to retest the VWAP again. Push into the VWAP there. They're divorced. Hit and go above 691. Yeah, it might. ES right there at the VWAP there, pushing below it. Looks like we might want to run that 579. I'm going to kind of watch the whole number here. Maybe a retest of the VWAP might offer an entry, or either a push down to 95, push back up to 10. We'll look for a spot like that. So we'll see. Yeah, 500 maybe. Kind of see what happens here. Pushing here right there at the whole number. Like I said, I don't mind a push into this 95 and then a push back up. See what the ES is doing. Do I have the, I don't even have the VWAP on the ES. Let's get the VWAP over here. All right, a little push back up here. Let's see if we retest that VWAP there. All right, let's see if we hold this See if we hold the VWAP here. Just kind of watch here and see. It's not normally how I trade, and that's kind of the hold up here, right? Even though it kind of makes sense, but what up, Timbo? Are we going to pop the VWAP here and go? What are we doing? Holding below it right now. Yes. All right. Nasdaq trying to pop above 615 here. Let's kind of see here. Holding up here at the VWAP. I'm hesitant to take it just because, but seems reasonable. 440 is in the cards. If it continues up, she's going to do what she's going to do. Yeah. Tend to agree. Kind of pushing back into the VWAP here. I'm going to try this. I don't know that I'll love it. I think I'm going to try it. Trying to give it a moment to see how. Oh, you were just. It looks like we might go back up to 639. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know. The problem is. The problem here is that we may wait for it to push below this and kind of retest this OB here. If it puts this in. We'll see. I'm just trying to be careful here. Wow, pushing back to 620s here. Yes, it's right there at the 32s. Yeah, Joseph, it's a tough spot. I'm kind of like 50-50. Yeah, I agree, Joseph. I'm just waiting. I'm interested in taking this trade, but it's just... It is just... Nothing's real clear. Kind of chopping VWAP already. I mean, it might make sense here if we get a little push back up into the 33s. But bounce of plunge coming up. I don't know. Tough spot. I'm going to wait. Oh, I do like the wicks on the top of those candles, though, for a pushback down. There we go. Only goes up. Same setup every day. Pull back, go higher. Pull back, go higher. What up, JX? Free money. Too many low volume nodes, areas below. Yeah, I mean, 10 degree design, but, you know. If we inverse the 1 hour, yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking, but still have 15 minutes, right? It's just kind of chopping around here already. I did take one trade, a momentum trade at open, $100, but unfortunately I didn't have the copier turned on for whatever reason. I didn't hit run. Oh, your power's going out? That sucks. So be safe over there, Black Beauty. He closes above 639. Well, it depends on what chart you're looking at, but not technically, looks like. Grind and rip probably are right. Yeah, no real displacement above that 639 high. ES with the boner candle at open, now just chopping around. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, I'm not shorting here, Treff. If I got, I mean, you could. We don't know, right? We just don't really know what direction it's going to go. It is kind of retesting the inversion there, though, to be honest. So we'll just kind of see what happens here. Yeah, nobody knows. Exact. Nobody knows. Where's that magic 8-ball at? Shake that puppy. We're above VWAP on the ES and the Nasdaq, so I mean I'll lean up right now as long as we're above the VWAP, but we are kind of generating some low resistance liquidity here that we might sweep. We'll see. It's a day to kind of probably just be patient and find your nice setup. If you don't get it, just accept whatever profits you've gotten, if any, and walk away. Get into the 30s. Yeah, well, I mean, I think above 30, kind of above 33, would probably revisit the highs, but I mean, the ES is pushing up here. Goodness. Look at this thing rip. All right. we might partake. Yeah, riggedy. It could be nothing wrong with that. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, JX, you're seeing a delay. As soon as I said down, it said, eh. F you. ES made new highs there. So we do have a pretty big SMT here right now with the Nasdaq. Is that going to push us down here? Two-second plus delay. That's strange. I've never noticed one. Of course, I haven't used Trade Debate in a while, so. Man, I wanted to take this short. Tough to do, though. Yeah, that's crazy. Trying to see here. Let's see. I feel like we do go down here for, a bit, but who knows? Or is considered bullish below? Yeah. All right, starting to rip here. I might take this, guys. Stop so big, though. Yeah, you can, but I don't know what's going on with my copier. It's not working today. Why does it say stopped? The copier keeps turning off, and I don't know why. I don't know. That's a little bit frustrating. Why is the copier turning off? I don't know what's going on there. All right. Anyways. So we took two trades, and they're I didn't take the short. I took the short at open, Joaquin, the 4 quad equal lows. So had a limit at 602. Didn't come get you. Scott Rips was having trouble too. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with my copier. I have no idea. Close Quantower and relaunch. Well, like I started the copier, right, this morning, and then it came back up and it said run. And so now I had started them again, and then it just came up and said stopped. And I don't know why. So instead of having 2 green trades on all my accounts, now we just have 2 green trades on 2 accounts. Joaquin, I'm on vacation. This is the mobile setup. This is the mobile setup. This is what the mobile looks like. I could probably have it a little better, and I may improve it later on this afternoon. But for right now, this morning, I literally had to bring everything. I had to bring my mic. I had to bring everything. My PC, I had to install everything into my laptop. It was, so. Yeah, I don't want to disconnect the Lido. I don't know. I don't want to. To the noon? Oh, I thought I heard my boy. I mean, the stop is just too big on this. Too big. What are you doing? Mavi just got out of the pool. Oh, hot streak. No, we're on vacation. We are on vacation. What are you doing, Charles? You've been into it the whole time? What are you, long or short? Oh, goodness. Oh, you got out at the high, Charles? Nice job. Are we going to get through the VWAP? Here's the question. Kind of pulled back there, bounced at the VWAP to 20. Looking like it's probably going to make it through there, but you were looking for 60 and just effed yourself? Kind of close, right? Well, let's see what we get here. Kind of holding up there, 20s, pushing back up to the 30. Got about 25 seconds left on this candle. Just kind of watching and waiting, see what happens. VWAP strong here. Strong like bull VWAP. Pushing back up here. Maybe want to retest that 40. Dun, 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 dun. Am I going to take the long? I mean, I don't hate it, but I don't know that we get it. Strong back, weak mind. Weak back, strong mind design. Weak back, strong mind. Yeah, I would like the short. I mean, I think we run back to here. I just hate that the VWAP's right here. Penny wise, dollar foolish. All right, if we push below the 19 here, I think we probably visit the low, but we'll see. 644 for a long entry. Potentially. Target 532. Apex currently 80% off Alfred. Crude going north. Pushing back up here. Kind of just ranging, though, to be honest. Just waiting to see what happens here. What's the ES doing? ES is kind of pushing. ES looking much stronger. Woo! What happened there? Oh, top of the hour, 10 o'clock. First thing I did was look at the time. I was like, what is that? All right. What in the world happened there? Yeah, we broke through there. Yeah, it's a big. That would have been a big stop. I mean, you could have taken that for the momentum break there. I mean, I don't think it's unreasonable, but my copier still is something's up with it. I don't because I'm going to show you what happened. I took that short on all my 250Ks. So I took it on all of these. Made 215 on this one. Look what happened on these. 215 on this one. But what happened on these bottom three? $5. $20. No dollars. Lost money technically. Like I don't know how that happens. And then those are linked to this account, and this one made 350. That's the amount of points I actually took, 350. That's where the P&L should be. But, I mean, what can you do? There's not much you can do. So, a little annoying there. Retest of the VWAP here. I still think we move lower. I think 579 might be the draw here. So a little annoyed there, but fast payments. Ash, well, you have Take Profit Trader, you have My Funded Futures, you have Topstep. My Funded Futures, 5 $100 winning days. Take Profit Trader, same day. If you you can take a withdrawal the same day once you hit the threshold there. So it's really up to you. Pushing back up here, VWAP. The delay was due to TradingView. Ah. I don't know. I'm annoyed there. I like 1 hour. Looks like they're going up again. Yeah. I mean, we swept the lows, Bobby. It kind of makes sense, right? So if I get something out of this, I might take it. It's about a 10-point stop, looks like. Maybe a little more, 12 or 13 overall. We are pushing back above the VWAP. ES never made it to the VWAP. So if we get a close above here, I might long this. Let me check the copy trader. I mean, it says it's working. I am on vacation. I am kind of short-sighted over here on what I'm able to see, so I just going to take what I can on that. The 1 minute closes lower here than the 30-second chart. 30-second wouldn't close until like 31. But Steve, I would go, if it's your first account ever and you're new to trading, I would go to an end-of-day drawdown type of an account with My Funded Futures or Take Profit. Well, actually, Topstep or My Funded Futures. Because the intraday unrealized profits count against your drawdown. Otherwise, I would say My Funded Futures gives you the most drawdown right now on a end-of-day account. It's $76 up front, though, is the only problem. As long as you're okay with intraday trailing, I go with Bulenox because it's 90% off. But I would probably say you'd want an end-of-day account, which is going to cost you a little more, unfortunately. But it just depends on where you're at in your trading journey. If you're okay with the trailing, go with Bulenox. If you're not like new, then I would go with the one of the other ones. But you can't go wrong with any of them. I mean, they all have rules. You just need to know the rules. Familiarize yourself with the rules and stay within those. No, Trader Edge, the end of the day, it's not 90%. That's why I was saying go with My Funded Futures. Man, this is a big stop loss. It's the problem. I don't know. I didn't take it. Stop's too big for me. That would have been your break-even stop. I don't know. I didn't hate it, but you know, 4 points. I mean, it's not really, is that really worth it, right? 4 points for my stop to be 16 points. Not worth it to me. Done for the day. Let's go. You love this job. Who couldn't love the job? Who couldn't? It's fun, right? Until you lose. Then it's no fun no more. Then you're like, screw this job. Who wants to do this job? Screw it. So, interesting spot here. Now, in this scenario, my stop is only 10. Now, this one I'm going to go ahead and take. Rip it. Rip it. I'm going to put my stop in here. Not going to let it go back red on me there. Yeah. This thing is annoying. What in the mother of goodness? All right, let me see what we got there. We lost money there because of this stupid stop. Didn't stop me out where it's supposed to. We lost 25 bucks. This copier is annoying me today. We lost 25 bucks. Dun, 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 dun. All right, it's fine. Oh, well, I was just looking for us to run through these equal highs here, which we still haven't done. I think we should. Why most of your plays you get involved at the top of the bottoms? I don't know, Trader Edge. Just sometimes it just depends. Like right now, we left these equal highs, so I'm expecting us to run those. But, and then your risk is kind of defined, right? 9 or 10 points. Dun, 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 dun. I like for it to work right away when I get involved, but, you know, doesn't always happen, right? Doesn't always happen. So maybe I put my stop there a little too fast. That's all right. 'Tis happens. Well, a lot of times inversions, that's kind of how they work, right? Sometimes you get in once we break an inversion. Dun, 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 dun. The copier failed me there because the break-even stop should have had me at least 1 point in profit, which would have made me 20 bucks. And it, you know. Oh. Trade evade's insane. I'm not trying to buy the top or the bottom, Trader Edge, but sometimes it happens, right? Sometimes it happens. Yeah, I'm down $25 on a couple of accounts. I mean, like, I'm not upset about it, but it should be up $25 or 20 bucks. It should be up. Dun, 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 dun. Ripping right back up here. Look at this thing. We're just, guys, we're in a very tight range here. 56 points. Get my indicators on here. Opening range. AM. 30. 9. Do I hear a train? Sounds like it. All right, let's put this on. This will show us our opening range. And then what do we want to put? Pivot points. And one more. 200. There we go. Tight range here. A train wreck? No. I'm not in a hotel. We're in a Airbnb or whatever. Is Bulenox a lifetime? Yeah, I believe so, Bobby, right? Barber Light. So yeah, we're down very minuscule amount here, 25 bucks there on that express funded. This one was the one we took the opening trade with that the copier wasn't on. This account, same thing, 20 bucks. That's an eval. You see the funded accounts, 215 on the 250K, 215, and then these next three, for whatever reason, are just break even, 20 bucks, 5 bucks, whatever. So copier issues today. It's not much we can do about it. Bulenox funded, down 25, down 25, down 30. We'll try to find another spot if we can. My funded futures funded account up 350. That's what the 250K should look like, but unfortunately, they don't. But that's okay. Just keep pushing and go from there. That's all we can do. You got away from Trade of 8. Here's some videos on why. I mean, I think they all have issues. What's the accounts you're trying to pass? Ash, that's going to be Take Profit Trader. Not seeing the account you were showing. Oh, you guys aren't seeing that? Oh, I think because I've got it locked on this screen. That's why. That is why I have it locked on this panel. Oh, yeah, Scott. Well, everybody's got to make their own decision, right? You decide who you use. I don't know why you're not. I mean, I know why you're not seeing my P&Ls because I don't have it on a screen share. I have it on a, because I'm limited space, so I can only show you this chart here. I wonder, well, I can't put it over here. But anyways, you'll just have to trust me. You'll just have to trust me. So Take Profit Trader is end of day until you pass, and then it's intraday trailing. So we'll kind of see what happens. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, my camera went off. What happened to my camera? The camera disappeared. Oh, that sucks, Matty Matt. Gotta hate when that happens. I mean, I don't hate the price action. It's like, it's offering some setups, right? That's all you can really ask for. Oh, man, the stream is lagging a little bit. Yeah, Ash, the code is MM. Capital M, capital M. That be the code. That is the code. It's also down in the description of the video in case you need it. But I don't know how this is going to do here. Let me see. Don't know what's going on with my camera. Let me see if we can get it kind of going here. Okay, well, it works like that. Camera's kind of huge, isn't it? What's going on here? Why in the world is the camera? It's looking cray-cray. There we go. There we go. Look at this thing go here. Ooh. Actually, I didn't even notice that earlier. We bounced right off that 96. Maybe I'll just kind of watching. $79. Are we going to make it down to 79 here? Pushing back up into the VWAP here. I don't know if I want to try this here or not. There's no real setup, but I feel like we're pushing into the 570s on this push down. 580, I mean. Feels that way. But there's not really a setup. I'm just going to wait here. If it goes without me, it goes without me. I'm not going to be mad about it. Let's see here. Due to the issues was in drawdown, but I thought, okay, I'll get back. Oh. You didn't know that once it went funded that it was intraday trailing? Keep your hands up. Yeah, I think 619 sells a decent spot, St. Patrick, or W. I don't know, Renard. It just disconnected a couple of times. Oh, you were on eval? Eval should be end of day, as far as I know. It's supposed to be end of day. Mm-hmm. Let's see here. This is a choppy range here, guys. Very choppy. I don't know. I'm kind of considering the short here. I'm thinking about it too long, probably. You think it probably should have went already if it was going to go. Welcome you to the Tom Sabo box. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, W trades. The problem is, like, I don't know. It's not really a problem. It's just not my setup, but I think it might work. Got the protection of the VWAP here. A pretty clear stop out, right? 12 points. So all right, Matty Matt, appreciate you. See you tomorrow, bud. There we go, pushing back up. Might get a little pushback up here. Maybe we'll hold this area. Let's see if we hold. Close above 631.50. I probably would not, Frank. You would have to actually close above 634. Your stop 16 points. I guess it's not bad. It's just too wide of a stop for me, Frank. So it's up to you. Maybe you get more of something like this. You know. Oh, if I can get the... Oh, I have to... Something like that. So we'll see what happens. I mean, you could close above that. But, yes, they offer Quant Tower JX. I'm not taking the long. I don't mind the short. I don't mind the short. 30-second short setup here would be a close below 1850 on the 30-second chart. something like that. You're going to buy 10 accounts? Oh, let's go. Well, the only thing with take profit, I think, how many accounts can you have with take profit? Is it 3 or 5 through funded accounts? So just be careful with that. It's 4. Is it 3? It's 3. So you can have 3 funded accounts. I don't know if I'd buy 10. Ash, that's the only draw down for them. But like Frank said, Frank was, or I think not Frank, JX was saying that he was in an account in an eval and he thought it was end of day drawdown and it wasn't. So I don't know. Just be careful with that. But as far as I know, it's supposed to be end of day drawdown on the eval, and then it switches to intraday once you're funded. And then and then an $1,100 daily loss limit, which is a hard breach. So if you hit the $1,100 daily loss limit, it does fail the account. So keep that in mind. So, yeah, Alito, good point. I mean, I do like the MyFunded Future, accounts as well. So, $76. But yeah, MyFunded Futures, what can you have? You can have 5 accounts with them. Is that right? How many can you have on MyFunded Futures? I think the scalping's fine. It's just 22 ticks. I've never had a problem with it. Three of them on there. It's going good, Jason. It's going good. Gonna text me from the corner. Yeah, I mean, I don't think you can go wrong with either of them. Take Profit Trader is a really good. The payout policy is the main attraction for them, right? The payout policy, you can literally get paid every single day if you wanted to. So every day. Oh, it's got to be more than 70%, Alito. I didn't know that. Oh, yeah, Alito, how you liking the fast track? I forgot you were trading that. Man, look at this thing rip higher. I'm not going to take this 1 minute, I don't think. I mean, it's just the stop's a little too wide for me. But I think it's okay. I like the momentum of this candle for us to at least make it back to this high here. But, so it's 5.5 points to your break-even stop. But I don't know. I'm still I don't know. It's a tough spot here. We're kind of middle of the range. What time is it? MyFunded Futures, Ash. So it's a 50K starter account. The rules are you got to have 5 winning days of $100 or more to get to a payout. Your maximum payout, I think, is $1,500 every 2 weeks. You can take a payout every 5 days if you qualify for it. $2,500 in end of day drawdown. $3,000 is your profit target for the 50K account, and it's $76 all in using my code MM. That's it. No activation fee. There is a scaling rule. So I think you can only do 3 minis or 30 micros. Let's think of what else there is. And you can have up to 3 accounts at one time. So. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, you got to hit the buffer. Yeah, you do have to hit the buffer. I like the new starter plan. Oh, yeah, it's a $1,200 daily loss limit that's a soft breach. So if you hit the $1,200 daily loss limit, it doesn't blow the account. You're just done for the day. But you do get the most max loss, I believe, out of any end-of-day drawdown account that you have. So I got Earn to Trade also, Leonard. I like Earn to Trade also. The only thing with them is you can only have one account, right, Leonard, if I'm not mistaken, with Earn to Trade. Or am I mixing them up with somebody? Can only have one account, I believe. They have a really good, they get good rules, and the direct to funding is nice. So, yeah, Ash, the fast track trading, I do have a link for them in the description. I haven't tried them personally. Alito's using them. I do know 2 people who have used them, and they are they've gotten paid out. Both have. Well, actually, I know 3 people. 2 have gotten paid out. So it's up to you. They're new. I have the link there just in case somebody wants to use it, but I haven't used them yet personally, so I can't personally say 100% go. But I do know some people have used them who have been paid, and there's not really been any issues. The only issue I have is the problem is that they don't take credit cards yet. So. Come on, get through there. Back below that wick, stop will go in. Come on. Stay below the VWAP here. Come on. Finally. Woo! Finally. Oh, you guys can't see that. Can you call me? What do we got? Oh. Yeah, Alito's in the Discord, Ash. I don't know if you are. The Discord's in the description. You guys can link up in the Discord and DM each other probably. Or you can send it to me and I'll send it to him. It don't matter. Either way. All right, so we got back. Where are we at on those? $75 on the express funded. And there she goes. There she blows. There she blows. What did we take that on? Oh, the Bulenox. I was like, what other accounts? So $75 on the Bulenox. On the Bulenox 25Ks. Your usual target is 12 to 1 tick and often closes before 10 seconds. Yeah, it's got to be 22 ticks typically. Needs to be 22 ticks. I think 79 probably is the target here. Bouncing off of, I didn't even realize IB was set there. IB's ripping back up. Oh, YouTube has messages? Oh, I didn't know that. The bed has been shattered. Let's go, Carlos. Took profit. I like it. Sorry, I wasn't reading the message. Apex Discord is down. Do you remember the details of the promo? $40. Yes. So Oliver, $40 for the 150, 250, and 300K right now. And the you got until August the 15th to pass those and activate them. August the 15th. Maverick. Come here. What are you doing? Maverick. Come here. Trying to get Maverick to come over here and be on the camera, but he's not doing it. Yes, Oliver. You got a while, right? You got a while. Oh. Calm here. He said, not today. All right. He having it. Tried to get him to come over here, but he was like, nope. Maverick said, no, Top Gun. I am just myself. When did I take profit on that last short? I took it at, I just took 8 points. I targeted this small wick here. I could have probably targeted IB. I didn't notice that IBL was set, to be honest with you. 579 seems like a reasonable draw, but I don't know. We got to check out Jack Livingston's YouTube channel. Who's that? I don't know who that is. I think you told me that before. I'll check it out. The best for 10 accounts, Ash. If you're loaded up already with Apex and you want something very similar, just go with Bulenox. You can have 11 accounts at once, but you can only have 3 accounts under the threshold at one time. And the payout rules are slightly different. They are, you know, a little. You got to make a little more money before you can take payouts. Uncapped payouts after 3. After 3 withdrawals, but you do have to leave the threshold in, which is different than Apex. But great customer service. You have 11 accounts with them. They're at 90% off right now, so what more to ask for? Let's tighten up the risk. Oh, okay, you did? Yeah, maybe we'll check them out. We'll see. We shall see. If you guys haven't already, hit the like button for me. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Once again, My Funded Futures having a sale right now. $80 all in for a starter account. $50K starter account, no activation fee. If you use the code MM, you get it for $76. Bulenox 90% off. Apex 80% off. Take Profit Trader still 40% off with no activation fee. Comes out to about $102 for a 50K account. Yeah, no gamble. And Topstep, as always, if you're going to reset an account, add a new account or anything like that, then use my link in the description. It gives me credit for it. We do appreciate it. Helps the channel. So, I don't know. I like Take Profit Trader JX. I mean, I'm sorry that it's not working out for you, but I do like them. I'm trading them. I'm trying to get it funded. We're not that far off from getting that account funded either. Let's see where we're at. I know you guys can't see it right now. I'm $900 away from it being funded. So, oh, Topstep TV. Oh, nice. Nice. Free reset, possibly. All right, well, that's going to do it for me, guys. I've got what I need. I know you can't see my you can't see my P&L. It's not showing up because I'm on the. And I don't want to put it on the screen because then you'll see my address and stuff. You'll just have to trust me. We are green. Yeah, it's kids' design. I'm on vacation. I got what I need. So anyways, we'll be back live on Wednesday, guys. No stream tomorrow. I may drop a video. We might take a trade later today or tomorrow. We may drop some sort of video, but no stream tomorrow. We'll be at a Busch Gardens. And, yeah. He's just a friend. Sorry for the short stream today, guys, but we are on vacation. We're trying to give you guys at least a little something. So if you want to support the stream, the channel, use my code. We appreciate you guys. Get on a roller coaster. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. Y'all have a nice day, man. Thanks for watching.